Are you a life coach looking to find out more ways for you to make more money as a life coach in the next year? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 specific strategies that you can follow this year where it's going to help you make a lot more money, specifically make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach in the next year. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friends. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in this video, we're going to go over specific strategies, right, for life coaches who are looking to make more money. And we're going to go over specifically how you can use those strategies immediately in your life coaching business so you can make more money and make more impact by being able to help more people and help heal the world as a life coach. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, where are you as a life coach, right? And what is the solution, right, that you are currently providing as a life coach and making money with? So how are you helping people as a life coach right now? What is the solution that you're providing? But more importantly, what's the problem, right, that you are solving? We want to make sure, right, that we identify the conversion points, the places in our business where we are making money and making the most money so we can exploit those points later on in our business and ultimately figure out how we can make more money in less time, right? The next thing we want to identify is exactly what is the specific offer. Do we have an offer or do we have a solution? And we got to remember, right, there's a difference between a solution and an offer. So a solution is going to be where you go out there and you have a very vertical one item thing that is going to solve a problem in the marketplace. Whereas an offer is usually going to get a lot more people that take action on it, because an offer is going to speak to a lot more people, because not only is it providing the solution, but it's providing things around the solution that's answering to internal and external objections, right, that your prospects have, which means that a lot more people who might have objections with the original offer might take action, right, on the original solution, might take action on the specific offer that you provide them, because you're answering those internal and external objections along the way. We also in this offer want to make sure that we give them a reason to take action now so that they can have bonuses as well as a deadline letting them know that if they want to take action and get help with this solution right now, that they need to take action now on this specific offer before it goes away. This is very important because when we add pressure, right, to our specific offers and we let people know that it is in their best interest to take action on this offer now or it could go away, this is going to help those people who want to take action on our offers take action on our offers a lot more quickly, helping us sign up a lot more people, right, when we present those offers to them. Before I go into this next piece about how you can design your life coaching business so you can not only make more money, but so you can maximize profits and a lot of times make 4 times as much money, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so we've talked about the solution and now we specifically talked about designing an offer. Let's go into how you can design your life coaching business so that you can maximize your profits. And a lot of times, 4 times the amount of money and revenue that you are bringing in as a life coach while working a lot less. So there's this concept that we classify as what's called the value ladder. And the value ladder is where you can identify a specific solution that you're providing to the marketplace, but you can deliver that solution in a multitude of ways, allowing you to make sales, right, as a life coach in a multitude of different offers, but only really having to show up for maybe 1 or 2 of those offers along in the process. So the concept of the value ladder is that we got to make sure that we understand, right, as a coach, we are literally getting paid by the proximity that people want to get to us. So ultimately, right, if we're working one-on-one with coaching clients, this is going to be our highest ticket offer usually, or one of our highest ticket offers because of the proximity that people have to us and the time they spend with us to solve that specific problem. But it doesn't mean that there aren't other people, right, who don't want to pay, right, the amount of money that you might be charging for one-on-one, but would be willing to get a little bit of help from you if you did group coaching, but they didn't have to pay as much. So then what you can do is a level down from your one-on-one, you can then offer group coaching where maybe you give them a home study course as well as a Q&A session once every couple of weeks or once a month or something like that, where they come in and for an hour you answer all the questions they have about that home study course, but you don't have to walk them through the process, right, like a one-on-one coach would, which means you spend less time as a coach, ultimately coaching, and meaning that, right, you can lower your price because you don't have to be there guiding guiding them through step by step. Below this group coaching, you could even add something that's just like maybe a home study course, literally a course, or that you are selling people or giving to people that's like, here's the system. You can take this system and good luck. Really, like, it's take this system and use it, and it's going to help you solve all your problems. But see, they're not going to get any of your time. The thing is they're going to get your system, but all you got to do is send them one email and give them a portal to log into that system. And they have access to everything that you could have. The challenge is, though, is a lot of times people are going to have questions along the way, and they're going to want your help along the way, which is why we have the group coaching and the one-on-one coaching above this, helping people be upsold or ultimately be guided to getting closer proximity to you so that they can pay you more money, but ultimately, get the problem solved at a faster rate in their life. The last and certainly not least, what you can do, and this is a great way to get leads, for your specific solution that you're providing, is to provide lead magnets, or things like books, or things like free trainings, or ultimately what we classify as lead magnets to your prospects, so that you can find people who are raising their hand. These might be free lead magnets, free ebooks, free books that you write, free articles that you write, free blogs or podcasts that you do, but ultimately you're finding interest in people who are raising their hand. They're wanting to get information and start getting information from you to start getting help, and you are able to start helping them and inviting them to things like profitable presentations, and ultimately even maybe a possible sales call where you can turn those people who are showing interest into paying clients for your life coaching business. All right, so now that we know the idea of the value ladder, and you're probably already starting to see how you can organize your value ladder so that you can maximize profits, let's talk about how we make sales to the different offers on that value ladder. And the way we do this here over at Life Coach Launch is we do what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is we're going to put on an event. This can be live or a virtual event, and you are going to go and you're going to help people through a presentation, And these events can be events like, online summits, or they can be challenges, or they can be, master classes, or even workshops, or even a live event that you run. But ultimately, what you want to do is you want to put on these profitable presentations and actually demonstrate how you can help people by actually helping them, involving them in part of the process, and then asking those people that get themselves and get the wins at the profitable presentations, and those people that register to get your help at these profitable presentations, if they would like to get your help at the end of these profitable presentations, helping you sign up not only people, but a lot of people at the end of these profitable presentations, helping you sign up a lot of people, grow your life coaching business, and make a lot more money a lot quicker, than you were if you were doing one-on-one sales calls. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.